$40 to $60 per lead for HVAC LSA ads. If that's what you're paying and you want to lower that cost, try database reactivation. This is where you send an email or an e-newsletter to your customer base telling them about maintenance and other services that you offer. You can lower your cost significantly. We sent out an email, had over 100 bookings, only cost $7 a lead, and we generated over $38,000 in revenue. If you want to learn more and you're an HVAC or home services owner, let us know. We're here to help. Click below.